Carbonado, also known as black diamond, is one of the rarest and most mysterious forms of natural diamond. Unlike transparent diamonds, carbonado has a polycrystalline structure, deep black color, and often contains microscopic pores. Because of its unique appearance, carbonado is often confused with fake stones or other black minerals. Fortunately, there are several safe at-home tests that can help you identify a real carbonado black diamond. 1. Visual inspection, surface and shape test. Real carbonado black diamonds usually have a rough, irregular shape, a dull to metallic luster, not glassy, tiny pores or cavities on the surface, no clear crystal faces like quartz. If the stone looks perfectly smooth, shiny, or artificially shaped, it may be fake. 2. Weight test, density check. Carbonado diamonds are heavier than most black stones of the same size. How to test at home. Hold the stone in one hand and a similar-sized rock in the other. If the black stone feels noticeably heavier, it may be carbonado. This test alone is not conclusive but useful as an initial indicator. 3. Scratch test with caution. Diamond is the hardest natural material on Earth. At-home method, try scratching a piece of glass or quartz with a sharp edge of the stone. A real carbonado can leave a visible scratch. Warning, this test can damage the stone and should be done carefully. Many professionals no longer recommend this method. 4. Water sink test. Carbonado diamonds are very dense. Steps. Drop the stone into a glass of water. A real carbonado will sink immediately. If it floats or sinks slowly, it is likely fake. 5. Magnetic test. Some carbonado diamonds contain trace amounts of iron. How to test. Place a strong magnet near the stone. Slight magnetic attraction can indicate natural carbonado. Most fake stones show no reaction at all. 6. Light reflection test. Carbonado does not sparkle like clear diamonds. Check under light. A real carbonado absorbs most light. It shows a soft glow or metallic reflection, not rainbow flashes. Bright, colourful flashes often indicate glass or synthetic materials. 7. Heat resistance test. Advanced, use caution. Diamonds resist high temperatures. Simple method. Heat the stone briefly, for example with hot water, not direct flame. Immediately place it in cold water. A real carbonado should not crack or change colour. Do not use open flames as this can be dangerous. 8. UV light test, optional. Some carbonado diamonds show a weak green or yellow fluorescence under UV light. No reaction does not always mean fake, but strong blue fluorescence may indicate synthetic stone. Common fake carbonado stones: black onyx, obsidian, black glass, synthetic diamond composites. These materials often fail the weight, scratch, and light tests. Final advice: at-home tests can help you identify strong indicators, but they are not 100% conclusive. If the stone passes multiple tests, it may be genuine carbonado. For full confirmation, consult a certified gemologist or use professional tools like a diamond tester or spectroscopy. Conclusion: testing carbonado black diamonds at home is possible using simple observations and basic tools. By combining visual inspection, weight, water, magnetic and light tests, you can greatly reduce the risk of mistaking a fake stone for a real black diamond.